In this video, I'm going to explain to you what paragraph formatting is all about in your Microsoft Word. With this video, you are going to have a better understanding of what is expected of you to do whenever you are asked to carry out paragraph formatting in your document. And so, I urge you to watch till the end of this video so that you get every details of what this paragraph formatting is all about. In case if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that you get notified of when we upload new videos. Let's get started. When you talk of paragraph formatting, it entails how text looks within a paragraph and how those texts are being organized within such paragraph. And some of the basic operations that are expected of you includes text alignment. It talks about how texts are being aligned horizontally within that particular paragraph or even within the whole document. Now, if you look at this word paragraph formatting in Microsoft Word, you understand that this is aligned to the left. And you can see it under this paragraph formatting from here, that with this it tells you the text is left aligned, meaning that the text goes to the left. Now, another type of alignment you will still see is center alignment. With this, you will see that the title of this document has been aligned to the center. Most at times, center alignment is used for titles, headings of a particular document. Also, we have right alignment. You discover that this text has gone to the left. And we also have justify. Let's see it more in this particular text. Knowing that this is aligned to the left, if you click justify from here, you see everything from the left side to the right side, they all appear straight. And so with this, the text looks more organized in this page. So most of the times when you do your work in your Microsoft Word, you will usually use this justified alignment. Another thing that is expected of you whenever you are asked to carry out paragraph formatting is line spacing. When you talk of line spacing, you talk of the space between this line of text and this other one in this particular paragraph. Now, for you to carry out your line spacing, you come over to this very place where you have line and paragraph spacing. Just click on it. You can see we have 1.5 line spacing. We also have 2.0 line spacing. We also have 2.5 line spacing. And you can see them take effect as we click on each of these different line spacing. And so these are the different line spacing you have. You can still come up here and you click on this to a kind of input the number of line spacing you so wish to have. Okay, so and that's how you can actually do that. In most cases, those in the university, they will always recommend 1.5 line spacing for them. And so this is another thing that is expected of you to do when you are asked to carry out paragraph formatting in your Microsoft Word. Another thing that is expected of you to do in your paragraph formatting is what we call list and numbering. You know, most of the times as you prepare your document, there could be a list of items that you captured in that particular document. For instance, if you look at this, you will discover that we have some list of countries here like United States, Angola, China, Japan, Germany, United Kingdom, France, India, Canada, South Korea, and Italy. When you look at this, there is one thing that is expected of you as one that is proficient in Microsoft Word. You are to kind of add either a bullet or numbering format. And so with this, you can just highlight this from here down to this right place. you can just hit on this and you have given your bullet format to this list we have here. You can click from here and see other different types or kinds of bullets that we have and pick the particular one that you so wish to use, and the moment you click on it, it will take effect. Also, we can come over to this very place where we have numbering and just click on it. If you wish to use numbered format, you can click on this very one. You can click on this very one and it will take effect. You can also come over to this very place and pick any other one. You can even see it as we hover our mouse on each of them. If you wish not to have any of this listing, you can just click none. With this, you can add bullet and numbering to any list you have. Another thing that is expected of you to do whenever you are asked to do paragraph formatting is also sorting. Sorting is also very possible in your Microsoft Word. From the list of things we have here, you can see that if we wish to sort this either in ascending or descending order, we can actually do it. And you see that Angola will come first if we align it in ascending order. And let's see how we can do this. You can just come over to this very place where we have sort and click on it. The moment you click on it, it shows you sort by paragraphs. Yes, you can just leave it. You can also see the type. You can just leave the type to text. And we have ascending or descending order here. We want to sort this in ascending order, which means A comes before B, C, and the rest of them, just as in alphabetical order. And so with this, when you click your OK, you discover that this has aligned itself in ascending order. If you wish to leave it in descending order, you can just go back to this sort and select descending and click OK. You see that this has aligned itself in descending order. And so that's the way you can actually do sorting in your paragraph formatting. Another thing expected of you to carry out when you are asked to do paragraph formatting is what is called indentation. If you come over to this very place, you will see decrease indent and also increase indent. Let's say we have a cursor here. You can click on this. You see this text takes steps towards the right. If you click again, you see it moves towards the right again. If you click on this and click again, you see it takes steps backward. And so you can actually use this to kind of carry out an indent in your paragraph. Another way you can still do this, maybe you wish to use indented paragraphing, is to click on the tab of your keyboard. And so you can see this if this is the type of paragraphing you wish to use. And another thing expected of you to do is you may have like shading in your paragraph formatting. You can come over to this very place, select any color of your choice, and with this you have a kind of giving shading to your paragraph. And so that's another way of doing that. Another thing expected of you while performing your paragraph formatting is border. If you select this particular text now and come over to this very place where we have border, when you click on it, you see that the border has taken effect. And so when you do all of these things, you discover that you have actually performed paragraph formatting in that particular document. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly click that subscribe button and you will get notification of when we upload new video in this channel.